GT-R holds a special place in my heart. 10 takes. So, when it comes to a man, you know, wham! Welcome back, guys, to another NVM vlog, and I think I'm turning Japanese. So in today we've got this 2019 Nissan Skyline GT-R in for some sound upgrades. Now the Nissan Skyline is a beast from factory. This car comes out of the factory with 565 brake horsepower and gets to 60 in less than 3 seconds. So the heart of a monster is the 3.8-liter twin turbo engine. This one was hand built by Tsunami Uyama. If I pronounce your name wrong, I'm sorry. But yes, it's an absolute beast from factory. This car is running about 650 brake horsepower, and we're gonna fit a FI exhaust system to it and see what it sounds like. So the car's already equipped with a Miltech Y-pipe. As I said, this car has been previously tuned, but it is a 68mm exhaust system all the way to the back where it branches off in two. So there is quite a bit of a restriction, even at this sort of power level with a Y-pipe in there. Now the FI exhaust system is a full 90mm exhaust system. It has two separate valves as well that are remote controlled, and I'll show you them now. So that's the beautiful remotes from FI exhaust, which allows you to control the valves wirelessly. It has got a brain box as well that connects to the OBD port. And if you opt for the mobile app, you can pull up sensor data, read fault codes, etc. too. So as I said, this is the FI exhaust Super Sport system. So it incorporates a front Y-pipe. This car's already got Y-pipe, but we'll see how it sounds in difference in comparison to the size and the diameter and the unique muffler system. And look at the packaging, bro. The packaging is 1010. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what it sounds like in comparison. The car's already got a Y-pipe, but the Super Sport system has got a unique sound. So that's the full FI exhaust system fitted. It is the Super Sport, so it includes the front Y-pipes, full 90mm, so it should increase in power and obviously noise, and then just putting the remote valve control at the back, and it's going to wire it into the OBD port, and then we can take it outside, give it a few revs and show you the difference between the valves on and the valves off. Oh, that sounds beautiful. V6 twin turbo is life, especially when it's in a GT-R. Absolutely gorgeous sound. Look at those beauties. This system sounds absolutely immense on the GT-R, and don't forget this has still got the primary catalytic converters on there. So I hope everyone enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll tell Times to put a little bell notification icon so you can click on that and you can be updated with the latest videos that we drop. See you in the next one.